Okay, we're going to start with a really quick sandwich here, and I think you're going to like it. Okay, here we are, and you know my rule. Start off by doing the knife sharpening. So we're good to go. Awesome. Next up, you're going to love this sandwich. This is a seeded bread that we're going to start with, and then some brown mustard. And the brown mustard put on liberally. And then we'll just spread that as well. Butter knife, I don't have to sharpen this one. And spreading that on, beautiful. Now this, you may not be familiar with. This is called Braunschweiger. And it is a German, I guess a sausage, and it's quite delicious. And it goes beautifully on these sandwiches. This is nearing the end of the roll of the Braunschweiger. And, but I'm gonna put it on kind of heavily because why not? And on that, I'm also going to have some cheese. So we'll just put a little Swiss cheese on there, lacy Swiss cheese. And we will finish with some awesome raw onions. This is why my wife loves it when I make this, just because of the awesome raw onions. Wow, they are fragrant as well. Wow, okay, and that is the simple sandwich. We'll put this right on the top. Yes, onions will be flying everywhere, I don't care. And then we'll do a nice cut in the center. This sandwich actually comes from a place near where I grew up in Monroe, Wisconsin, called Baumgartners. They do something really similar to this, except instead of a lacy Swiss cheese, they put on Limburger cheese. If you've never had that, it's a really aged brick, and wow, you can often smell it before you get it to your face to taste it. So I'd recommend you try that sometime. Again, the Braunschweiger, the slice of raw onions, and I instead use the mandolin on the onions because I like how they fall in. And then the brown mustard. Try that on a rye bread or a wheat bread. I think you're gonna find that it's pretty awesome. So this is what's for lunch.